Hey, how's it going, everybody? Yeah, I'm back with another video today. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to install actually a Redeye graphic on the tail light. You know how the chargers, they light up real bright. And so basically what I want to do is take the Redeye and put it right there, center it right where the nice LED lights shine at night, so to really show it real nicely. So I'm gonna place it right there. So it should be a quick, simple install. I picked this up off of Amazon. I'll put a description of it in the video or down below. And so let's go from there. First step is to thoroughly clean the area. So I'm gonna use some alcohol wipes. Since it's just a small area, I think that's the best way to do it. Another tip is recommended to be at least 55 degrees or higher outside today. Man, we're in February, but it's over 70 degrees, so that's great. That's why I'm doing it today. And so the next thing you want is a water and soap solution that's at 5% soap to 95% water, which is odd. So I just used a little bit of soap, antibacterial soap, and mixed it in with water to kind of use the solution almost like they do with the tint. You wet the back and then you wet the front of the decal, and I give you the opportunity to work it through. Then we'll kind of squeegee it out. All right, so next what you want to do is turn on your parking lights and figure out your placement. So of course I'm gonna center it. I want to center it this way and then also center it in between here. All right, so this, you want to take this and lay it on a flat surface, and you want to use your quasi squeegee and press down on the hard surface to make sure that the top paper sticks to the decal as best as possible, because there's actually two layers. There's a layer that you peel off from the bottom to get it set, and then you work that in, and then once that's set and squeegee it out, then you peel the top layer off, and then you squeegee some more, and then basically that's the final product. Okay, so next we'll start the peel process. You want the decal to stick to the front portion, and then you want to peel the back off. Then we'll take our spray bottle, spray the decal first, and then we'll spray this area next. Okay, here folks, we want to be extra careful and try to peel it off slowly to keep all of the letters and the decal itself stuck to the top paper, like I mentioned earlier in the process. Okay, now it's time for some water and soap action. We want to be very generous with the spray, spraying the back of the decal and then also spraying it on the car to make the installation go smooth. All right, so now we'll take the decal, center it. Usually I'm all about the details, so I actually pulled the level out to see if we're good, and we are. All right, so now it's squeegee time. All right, so now we have it secured. We squeegeed it. So next, one extra step is to use the hair dryer on it to heat it up. All right, and now the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay, and now it's time for the reveal. Everything came off smoothly as expected. And I'm gonna offer you a night view here. Just a second. Yeah, please comment on the video. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button, share the video, and please subscribe to the channel. It keeps us motivated. Thanks. Oh, yeah, it looks great from the back. Let's zoom on in. Thanks for watching. Did you click that subscribe button yet?